So hey Millie Rocks, it's Camille coming to you back with another video. And as you guys can see by the freaking title, we are doing the Flamin' Hot Barbecue Fritos. Okay, this video has been long awaited for me. I've been waiting to do this video for 3 months, y'all. 3 months. I've searched high and low for these dang old chips, okay, y'all? And here they are in the freaking flesh. I cannot believe that I went on a wild goose hunt for these freaking chips, all to go in the store, just perusing, you know, just shopping around like nothing even happened. And y'all, I looked down. I said, I know that ain't the chips. I just know that those ain't the chips that I've been looking for 3 months. Just gonna pop up all lackadaisical. Like, where they do that at? I've been looking for these chips for forever and a damn day. And here they go. They popped up. And yeah, I'm gonna get into where I got these chips from, y'all. You gotta stay tuned for the video. But they're here. They're here. Okay. Here they are in the freaking flesh, y'all. These are, again, the Flamin' Hot Barbecue Fritos. I know y'all can see that. Y'all see how cute this bag is? I am super excited to have these chips. I don't know why I'm excited for a freaking $4 bag of chips, but
y'all don't understand how long I've been looking for these chips.
I have searched high and low. I went far and wide. I went to stores every other day just so I could find these chips, and they just never appeared. And so when I wasn't looking today, I go in a store, and lo and behold, here they are. Literally, lo and behold, they were on the bottom shelf of the damn chip rack. Okay, so I was so happy to find these chips. I'm just rambling, y'all. I'm just too excited. I'm actually very overwhelmed to actually try these chips. So let's go ahead and get right into the review, okay? So let's go ahead and open these up. Okay. Ooh. So y'all get to look. Y'all get to look. So yeah, that's how they look. They looking real good. They got my mouth watering as always. And these actually have like a little black specks in it. I definitely smell the barbecue for sure. But I also still get that hint of Flamin' Hot smell. I get that smell. I'm just gonna show y'all how they look. And y'all know, this is like water in that. I want to try it so bad. So these are how they look. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see it. So it does have these little black specks in there. Looks like pepper. But it's some of that like barbecue seasoning that I can tell. The regular Flamin' Hot Fritos is my all-time favorite chip ever created. Okay, those next to the hot Flamin' Hot popcorn, the Chester's Flamin' Hot popcorn, are top tier. So I'm just excited to try these because number one is the Flamin' Hot Fritos. So we gonna see where this comes in. We gonna see where these comes in. But y'all, I'm about to go ahead and just try these out. So let's go ahead. Drink some water, y'all. These are so freaking good, y'all. I'm not over exaggerating. Flamin' Hot has been on a freaking roll. These chips are so freaking good. And it's so unexpected because I know y'all remember my last chip review when I did the Flamin' Hot barbecue ruffles. And I was like, kind of not really feeling those. It was like, okay. But I didn't like that the barbecue protruded over the actual Flamin' Hot flavor. And with these, y'all, they did it so well. You actually get the Flamin' Hot with the barbecue. So the barbecue definitely comes in at the end, but you still get that lovely, nice Flamin' Hot flavor. I love that Flamin' Hot flavor so much. These are definitely like, these are winner. These are definitely a winner. And y'all know that I'm about to run my butt to the store and stock up on some chips, because y'all are not about to take all these off the rack. Like, these are something that I'm definitely going to go back to the store for and repurchase over and over and over again. And I know, like, the Flamin' Hot Fritos is like geographical. Like, you cannot find those chips everywhere, because those are my favorite chips and I try to buy them at least once a week. But you can't normally find them everywhere. So I know these might be the same thing. I did pick these up at my local Walgreens. That's the tea. Found them at my local Walgreens. However, when they first came out, I watched, it was only 2 videos of the Flamin' Hot barbecue Fritos, and they were saying that you could get them at Dollar General. They were saying you can get them at Dollar General. And so I went to every Dollar General in the Metro Detroit area, every one, and still couldn't find them. So for them to pop up at Walgreens, I was like, what? I was not expecting that. So I'm pretty sure you should be able to find these in your local gas station, your Walgreens. They might be in some CVS's, and they should be in your Dollar General, okay? But these are so freaking good, y'all. They are so good. And y'all know how when you get the Flamin' Hot Fritos, some of you understand that you just want to keep eating them and popping them in your mouth. This is the same thing for the Flamin' Hot barbecue. You just want to keep putting them in there, keep putting them in there. And I gotta say, we got some competition. So, the Flamin' Hot Fritos, the regular ones, are here. Okay, y'all see this? They're here. And so when we add the Flamin' Hot barbecue Fritos, they right underneath. Can y'all see that? They right underneath. Like, they're like kind of neck and neck, but the Flamin' Hot Fritos kind of, they rule. They rule. But those are so good. They're like right underneath. And then you got the Flamin' Hot popcorn sandwich in between those two. But these are so good. They're not super spicy, but you definitely get that kick. It like hurts so good. You want to constantly keep eating them and eating them and eating them. So yes, y'all, I definitely love these chips. I will go ahead and repurchase. I'm about to run my butt to the store and get some more, because y'all not about to do me like y'all did the other chips. And I know for a fact all the good stuff be limited edition, so they may make these limited edition. But I'm excited to see what Flamin' Hot has in store next, because they've been coming with that heat. They've been putting it out. They've been doing this Flamin' Hot, this Flamin' Hot, this Flamin' Hot. They got Flamin' Hot wings. They've been doing everything, y'all. So I am definitely a fan. I am a fan. So let me know if you guys are going to pick these Flamin' Hot Fritos up. Let me know if you've seen them in the store. Did you purchase them? Did you walk past them? What did you do? Go ahead, become a part of the Millie Rock family. Subscribe. I want to see y'all here on my channel every week, every post. Like, comment, share, okay? Share this video. It kind of helps, you know, the small creators become bigger, okay? But I do appreciate you guys for all the love and support. You guys have made these Flamin' Hot videos go crazy, through the roof, and I'm gonna keep putting that content out for y'all. So go ahead and thumbs this video up, and if nothing else, I will see y'all on the next video. Bye, y'all. Let me know, like, are y'all going to get these? Are y'all getting hungry? They're so freaking good. So good. I'm supposed to be on a diet. Look at these, y'all. I got 3 bags. Let me know. Let me know if there are some other Flamin' Hot brand chips that you guys want me to try out, because I'll go ahead and get on the hunt for those. And yeah, I'm gonna keep coming with these videos for you guys, so y'all already know what y'all need to do. Y'all already know. Peace out.